Now today I want to show you how you can finally bring the chords and the melody together as if you're playing piano for years. And I'm talking about this because I failed at this for a long time. And maybe you also did the same, but I was just playing piano or trying to learn piano for so many years, now over 10 years, and I've lost so many years by doing the same mistakes all over again. Thinking back now, I'm just disappointed in myself that I never thought about this. But luckily for me, I went from feeling like the piano is against me and not making progress in any song to eventually learn song in a matter of seconds, sometimes in minutes, sometimes in seconds. It always depends on which song I'm playing, but most of the times I can just sit on the piano and come up with any song or play a song that I have in mind in seconds. So if you want to have the same skill, if you want to learn one of those tricks that I use daily in order to learn songs much faster, then this video is for you. Let's jump right into it. And just because it's Christmas soon, we're gonna play a song that goes like this. I'm sure you know this one. So beautiful. And in order to play this song, it's really not complicated. Of course, the piano is so simple. We just need the right hand, the left hand. And when you master both of those hands, you just bring it together. It's as simple as this. So when you master the right hand melody, now I want to show you how to play the left hand. Because instead of just jumping around from chord to chord, there is a so much simpler way on how to play the chords. Many people just jump around like this. You see, they're just all over the piano jumping around. And there is nothing wrong with that. But like I said, I just want to show you a trick on how to simplify this. Because instead of just jumping from here down to this one, we can simply play an inversion and only move our fingers a little bit, but we get the same chord. You see, instead of playing, we can play. It's the same thing, just a little bit different because we use inversions. So let's look at this. The C, we just played a normal C major like this, everything perfect. Now, if we want to play a G major chord, what we are doing here, basically we just take the small finger and put it to this G right here. So we just put this one up. So we have the first inversion of the chord. And you see, the C was this. This was the C major. And just those two fingers, one wide note to the left, is the G major chord. You see, with just little effort, we get something beautiful like this. And now the cool thing is, when we are at the C major, also what we use a lot for Silent Night for this song is the F major. And for the F major, in order to go from the C to the F major, normal people would just play like this. They just jump from the C major to this F major. But you could just play like this. You see, I don't have to look at the piano in order to jump around like this. I don't have to look at it. I can think fully on my right hand and how to play the melody, because the left hand is just something I can do while sleeping. Like, you don't have to think. And this is the thing you want to do. You will get both hands together and the coordination if you completely forget about one thing, because you can do it almost automatically. Or not almost, but you can do it automatically. And if you can use simple tricks like this, just using inversions in order to jump more quickly between the chords, you will be able to free up mental space in order to use it somewhere where you really need it For example, playing both hands together, playing the melody, or whatever. And let's not forget about one of the most important things out there when learning piano is to use scales. And in order to help you there and cut the learning time in half, if not even more, I've made a free piano scales cheat sheet for you that you can download in the link down below in the description. With this scales cheat sheet, we can simply use one scale. For example, for this song, we just used the C major scale, and you will see we only use the white notes. So we cut out the black notes, so you only have to learn 7 notes. It makes it so much easier, and you will get so much faster by learning piano. And then you can simply come to the piano and play a song like this. Very simply, because you see, we just play the white notes, and instead of jumping now to those next chords down here, you simply use your mental energy for the right hand, because you know you just have to shift a few notes. And you see, this is where I don't even have to look at the piano in order to play a song like this. And you can do this so simple, like it's a simple song. Without even looking, you can do this with just a few minutes. So let's try this, and don't forget to download the free scales cheat sheet, because this is a great help on the start to learn piano. And if you want to learn more Christmas songs in just one day, I've prepared the Christmas songs course for you that you can also check out in the link in the description down below. With this course, you will learn a lot of Christmas songs in just one day. No, you don't need 7 days, you don't need 14 days or 30 days. You can simply use this course to learn your first Christmas songs, or your first 2 or 3 Christmas songs starting today. So if you're ready to do this, click the link down below, and I'm happy to see you inside. Other than that, I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.